Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to practice some very simple and useful English conversations. This is perfect for beginners, so don't worry. We will speak slowly and clearly. Let's imagine we are in a cozy little cafe. Are you ready? Let's begin first. Let's practice greeting a friend. Imagine you see your friend on the street. You can say, "Hi, Anna." Anna will say, "Oh, hi, Mark. How are you?" You can reply, "I'm good, thanks." "How about you?" Anna says, "I'm great. It's so nice to see you." You say, "You too, have a good day." Anna replies, "Thanks, you too, bye." See, very simple. Let's try it again, a little faster. "Hi, Anna. Oh, hi. Mark, how are you?" "I'm good, thanks." "How about you?" "I'm great. It's so nice to see you." "You too, have a good day." "Thanks, you too, bye." Now, let's go inside a cafe and order a coffee. This is a very common situation. You walk up to the counter. The barista will greet you. "Barista, hello. What can I get for you today?" You, "Hi, can I have a latte, please?" Barista, "Sure, what size would you like?" "Small, medium, or large?" You, "A medium, please." Barista, "Okay, anything else?" You, "No, that's all, thank you." Barista, "That will be for dollars." You, "Here you go." Barista, "Thank you. Your name for the order?" You, "It's Alex." Barista, "Thanks, Alex. It will be ready in a moment." Great job. Let's practice another way to order. Maybe you want something to eat too. Barista, "Hi there. What can I get for you?" You, "Hello. I'd like a black coffee and a croissant, please." Barista, "Of course. Is that for here or to go?" You, "To go, please." Barista, "All right. One black coffee and one croissant to go. Your total is $5.50. You, "Okay, can I pay with a card?" Barista, "Yes, you can." You, "Thank you." Barista, "You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee." Excellent. Now you know how to order drinks and food. Next, let's learn how to ask for directions. Imagine you are lost in a new city. You can ask someone for help. You, "Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Can you help me?" Person, "Of course. Where are you trying to go?" You, "I'm looking for the train station." Person, "Oh, it's not far. Go straight on this street, then take the first left. The station is on your right." You, "So straight, then first left, and it's on the right." Person, "That's right, you can't miss it." You, "Thank you so much for your help." Person, "You're very welcome. Let's try another one. Maybe you're looking for a museum." You, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the art museum?" Person, "Sure, you need to take the bus. The bus stop is just over there, across the street." You, "Oh, I see it. Which bus should I take?" Person, "Take bus number 10. It stops right in front of the museum." You, "Bus number 10. Got it, thank you." Person, "No problem. Have a great day." Now you can find your way around a city. Let's move on to another useful skill, shopping for clothes. You are in a store. Shop assistant, "Hello, can I help you with anything?" You, "Hi, yes, I'm just looking, thank you." Shop assistant, "Okay, let me know if you need any help." Later, you find a shirt you like, but you need a different size. You, "Excuse me, I really like this shirt. Do you have it in a large?" Shop assistant, "Let me check for you." "Yes, here you are. A large." You, "Great, can I try it on?" Shop assistant, "Of course. The fitting rooms are over there, in the back." You, "Thank you." After you try it on, you decide to buy it. You go to the cashier. Cashier, "Hello, did you find everything okay?" You, "Yes, thank you, just this shirt." Cashier, "Okay, that will be $25. You, "I'll pay with cash." Cashier, "Thank you. Here is your change and your receipt." You, "Thanks, have a good day." Cashier, "You too, bye." Fantastic. You are becoming an English conversation expert. Let's learn how to introduce yourself to someone new, maybe at a party or a language class. You, "Hi, I'm Ben. What's your name?" Person, "Hi, Ben, I'm Maria. Nice to meet you." You, "Nice to meet you too. Maria, are you from around here?" Maria, "No, I'm from Spain. I'm studying English here." You, "Oh, that's cool. Your English is very good." Maria, "Thank you. I'm trying my best. Here's another way to start a conversation." You, Hello, is this seat taken? Person, no, it's free. Please, sit down you. Thank you, my name is Kenji, by the way. Person, I'm Sarah, it's a pleasure to meet you. You too, Sarah. Is this your first time at this event? Sarah, yes, it is. I'm a little nervous. You, don't be. Everyone is very friendly. Making new friends is wonderful, isn't it? Let's practice talking on the phone. This can be tricky, but we'll keep it simple. Let's make a reservation at a restaurant. Restaurant, hello, the Italian kitchen. You, hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please. Restaurant, of course, for what day and time? You, for this Friday at 7 p.m. Restaurant, okay. And for how many people? You, for 2 people restaurant, alright. Can I get a name for the reservation? You, yes, it's Laura Restaurant. Okay, Laura, we have you down for this Friday at 7 for 2 people. You, perfect, thank you so much restaurant, you're welcome. We'll see you on Friday, bye you, bye easy, right? You are doing so well, how about asking about someone's weekend? This is a very common conversation on a Monday morning. Coworker, good morning, Tom. How was your weekend? You, it was great, thanks, I went to the park with my family. How about you, coworker? Sounds nice? I just relaxed at home and watched some movies. You, that sounds relaxing. Coworker, it was, well, time to start work. You, yes, talk to you later now, let's learn how to talk about your hobbies. Friend, what do you like to do in your free time? You, I really enjoy reading books, I also like to cook. Friend, oh, what kind of books do you read? You, I love mystery novels. Friend, that's interesting, I prefer to play sports. I play soccer on the weekends. You, that's cool. Maybe I can watch a game sometime, friend. Sure. It's always nice to share what you love to do. Let's practice giving and receiving a compliment. You, I really like your jacket, Sarah. Sarah, oh, thank you so much. I just got it. You, it looks great on you. Sarah, that's so kind of you to say, or maybe someone compliments you. Friend, your English has improved so much. You really, thank you. I've been practicing a lot, friend. It shows, you sound great. You, thanks, that means a lot to me. Now let's practice buying a train ticket. You, hello, 1 ticket to London, please. Ticket seller, single or return. A single ticket is one way. A return ticket is for there and back. You, a return ticket, please. Ticket seller, okay, when would you like to return? You, tomorrow, in the evening. Ticket seller, alright, that will be £50. You, okay, does this train have Wi-Fi? Ticket seller, yes, it does. You, great, thank you. Ticket seller, here's your ticket. The train leaves from platform 3. You, thank you for your help. You're doing an amazing job. We have covered so many situations. Keep practicing these conversations. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Listen to how the words sound and try to say them yourself. You can pause the video and repeat after me. Remember, making mistakes is a normal part of learning. The most important thing is to keep trying and not be afraid to speak. Every conversation, even a small one, is a big step forward. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope these simple dialogues help you on your English journey. Keep up the fantastic work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye for now.